Hey guys, so today I'm going to give you my honest review of this Bauer 20 volt pole saw, and this tool guys, I highly recommend it. I have had this tool for a little over 3 years guys with no problems. Only thing I had to do with it was to change my chain. As you know, those wear out over time guys. So this pole saw comes with a 8-inch bar and a 8-inch chain, and I like to use the Oregon R134 chain guys. Cuts very smoothly, makes my job a breeze. Also guys, if you look on here on the bar, it helps to tell you what direction your chain needs to go whenever you're replacing it. And on here guys, you also have a transparent bar and chain oil window, so you can see how much oil you have in there guys. It also has a automatic oiler, so you don't have to worry about your chain being lubricated while using it guys. Very lightweight. Only thing I would recommend, whenever you do fill your bar and chain oil, just make sure you cap it correctly or you'll have some leakage guys. Other than that, no problems. Everything is easily accessible guys, and whenever you do buy this tool, you get the adjustment screwdriver. This tool weighs 7 pounds guys. It's 3.1 inches high and very lightweight guys. I highly recommend it. It has a cutting capacity of 7.4 inches, and this tool guys can be used by, I would say, age ranges from 10 upward. And also on this trigger, for you to operate it guys, you have a safety feature on the trigger where this needs to be pulled back before you can operate the saw guys. And I like to use my 5 amp hour battery, as this gives me a longer run time and much more power guys. And in my hand, it does come with this protective sheet for your bar. So as I was mentioning guys, you got to pull this back. Oh, my chain needs to be tensioned, so basically that's it guys. I highly recommend this tool, and for the price of $89.99 guys, you cannot beat that. So I definitely recommend you going out and getting you one of these. One other thing I should mention guys, this does extend to 9 feet and 3 inches, so it will give you a reach of about 12 feet to 14 feet standing on the ground guys. So makes life a breeze guys using this tool. As I said, very lightweight, low kickback. I highly recommend it guys. Thanks again for watching. God bless. I see y'all on the next one. Thank you.